Hey guys, Thomas here, Jaspy's Case Breaks. We've sold out 2023-24 Panini Phoenix Basketball Blaster, one box break, random team number 1. This is a filler for our triple case break of Hit Parade Basketball. For this filler, we're giving away 3 spots for that Hit Parade break, so good luck to everybody in this. Since it's just a filler, no vet comments will ship, no trade window or anything like that. It's just a quick random team little blaster break. Here's our break sheet there. Here's our dice roll. Here's our list of 30 names. Eugene down to Joseph. Joseph has 24 spots. So good luck to everybody in this. There's our list of teams. And then we're going to roll another dice roll after the little blaster break. And we will randomize the top 3 to win. So let's roll the dice for our teams. 2 and a 6, 8 times. 1, 2, that was 3, that was 4, that was 5, that was 6, let's double check, 8, yep, that was 7, 8th and final time, boom, 8, Joseph up to Joseph, and now 2 and a 6, 8 times for the teams. That was 1, and 2, and 3. That was 4. That was 5. That was 6. That was 7. 8th and final time. Boom. 8. Wizards up to the Lakers. Let you guys see your teams real quick. Boom. Let's go ahead and print this out. Flip the screen. We got our blaster box here. Let's go to work. Put some Tyler and Giannis. Pascal Siakam. That is on the neon. Buffkin. Nice, Amin Thompson. Okay. It's a nice one for a little blaster. Amin Thompson rookie. That is 264 of 275. Houston is Zach. There you go, Zach. It's pretty solid for you there. And then we got Taylor Hendricks, instant phenom on that aqua. Those aquas are non-numbered. Kobe Brown. There's Jaime on it, and Jordan Hawkins. Miami Heat is Joseph. All right, last pack. Boom. Short and sweet. I mean, nice little blaster hit. Amin Thompson rookie to 275. We will take that. All right, now let's go back here. We got the new dice roll, and we have our same list of names. Let's double check. It is top 3 will win a spot in Hit Parade. So let's roll these dice. 3 and a 3, 6 times. Good luck, guys. Good luck. That was 1. That was 2. That was 3. That was 4. 3 and a 3 for 6. That was 5. 6th and final time. 6 times. Everyone from 4 down to 30. Thank you guys for trying. Good luck in the next one. Top 3 is Joseph, Joseph, and Joseph. Joseph L gets the top 3 spots there. He did have 24 spots. So congrats, Joseph. You just got 3 spots into that hit parade. Congrats on that. That was 23-24 Panini Phoenix Basketball Blaster 1 box break. RT number 1. The filler for our triple case of hit parade break. We're giving away 3 spots in this filler. That next one is posted up. Go grab some spots there. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.